And in total, because we was on a little bit of a cash day rate, it was... Hello and welcome back to the channel. Hello and welcome back to the channel. This is actually day 4 on this job and I've only just started filming because I thought actually it is quite an interesting job. Now we're on a small bungalow and they've done a big loft conversion. They've completely gutted the whole entire house and they've got the big dogs in to wrap an extension round. So we've gone currently all the way along the back. We've just taken that up to parapet height, which is the same as that. Got these huge bifolding doors here. So currently I am standing in the kitchen. This is where the island's going to be. And over here is where the media wall is going to be. Now, a little bit of a hiccup, because they asked me to do some brickwork for the neighbour. So I've wrapped the brickwork in there. That's all getting rendered. And then the fence will obviously be there. Well, actually, we're building a wall here, but it'll be to that height, so the neighbour will see that. Apparently, the neighbour don't like the bricks. Fuming! Fuming! So, we're just basically copying this, the other side. Where that's just been split is actually the wall plate. It's very dusty because it's been pissing down, and we put the wall plate a little bit higher because there's a bit of miscommunication. But anyway, we're here now. I'm going to show you the remaining of the job. There's actually 2 stills that go like that. They sit on that still. Joist will be going this way, joist will be going that way. But they bought this house for 400 grand, I think, in Bexley Heath, which is about the going rate, especially for bungalows. Bungalows are hot property around here, and they are literally transforming it. It's unbelievable. I might get in trouble because it's not my house, but I feel like they've done such a good job, I actually want to show you it. So, obviously this is all brand new. This is the loft conversion. And then we've got here, look at this. That is a tidy bit of loft space. Imagine the plaster on this. He has done well, I tell you. Look. Bend these, you can't get in. Anyway, go this way. Tidy shaped sized bedroom. And this side is another bedroom, decent size. And then we've got a bathroom here coming together. I think the boys have absolutely smashed it. Absolutely smashed it. As well with the extension downstairs, this house is going to be worth top money. Also, I want to show you this. So this is the front door. What I've just shown you is down there. So you would come in the front door here. This is actually going to be a bedroom. It's not about size. But if you was anything like me and you were sneaking girls in and out of the house, front door, bedroom door, wallop. We have one wall to do. Well, lintel in here, and then we can pull this in, which we're going to do tomorrow. And that's all finished, that's all finished. Just got some splits along that lintel as well. And hopefully I ain't got to change that brickwork, because that's a mission. Anyway, we've got ourselves a labourer who don't like being on camera, and at the end of every day he gets our spot balls and he hoses them all down, cleans them. What a legend. So if your labourer's not doing that, they got to fix up. Tell you what, the boys we're working for have had a right touch. We're here on a small day rate, and I'll tell you at the end of the job how much it is, but they're having it off. All I've got to do is pull that up, lintel with the splits there. This is all being pulled through. These 140 bastard bad boys have just been pulled up. Master Charles not here tomorrow. Made him do all my carts and throw it up for me. What a touch. So what I'll do is put a block and a split on that tomorrow, do the front lintel, and we've absolutely smashed it. We've only been here 6 days. Tomorrow will be 7th, but I'm here on my own tomorrow. Just got to fill that little bit in as well. And it will actually make you laugh how much they've paid us. Mates rates, what is going on in my barn? Jesus Christ. But yeah, I'm so buzzing we've managed to get that done. The actual weight of them is ridiculous.
Hi there, editor here. I hope you're enjoying the video. Make sure you subscribe. I'll even do a green screen pop-up to get your attention. If you're really new to the game, the metal on the wall is called a starter pack. It ties your brick and block work to the existing wall. Thanks again for watching. And remember, always wear a condom.
Yes, mate. Boom! Finished it. We finished it. This is going to make you laugh. And I'm not afraid to say it. Every now and then, you got to do a little cash prize. Sorry, Mr. Taxman. I do my tax returns legitimately, but every now and then you got to do a little cashy washy. So we've just finished the whole build, and in total, because we was on a little bit of a cash day rate, it was 3,300 quid. What? How much? For 2 in 1, gang? That's absolutely mental. So it's a 200 grand job, and we've just built the outskirts for 3.5 grand. That's the business, innit? If you're the builder, you sub it out, and you get a load of donuts in. Anyways, thanks for watching. Daylight robbery, and because we've just been robbed, well, we haven't been robbed, it's been a nice little job actually, close to home, cash in hand. You got to subscribe for that. Nice one, lads.